quick detailer, glass cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, degreaser, dialed-in details, your go-to for top-tier automotive detailing products. Back to work on the Burnout car.
So you see how this has got like a step here?
Yeah.
When we come back, we'll just grind this, and we're going to lay a piece kind of on here and weld it, kind of box it in, obviously.
Yep.
From where they cut it off.
Cool. Practice getting in here.
It's a hardtail now.
We'll have to get one of the, what do they call those knobs?
Oh, a steering knob.
It's gonna work? I think so.
All right, well, it is 5 below, don't you know, here in Minnesota, and it's time to get some vinyl on the Dragster. Bishop's Dragster is looking a little naked now that we took the red off of it, so we're going to get it to look like the Gold Lithium Nova. We're going to kind of copy that and put it on there. We got a design that we're working on. Matt Levanis drew something up, and we're going to try to transfer it to the Dragster. Chuck Easy is going to come over later. We're going to measure where the lightning bolt should go. But there is hockey on TV, and it is freezing out, so I'm going to get going on this nose. It's only a foot square, but it takes about as much time as anything to get done, so we're going to get after that, make a little video of the nose going together. All right, here we go. Well, the Bishop car is done. The Gold Lithium wrap went on pretty good. It was a Matt Levanis design. Done that many times, and Matt did another good job of laying something out that everyone likes here. So we had Chuck Easy cut the lightning bolts. Then pretty much just put some white and black on either side of the lightning bolts, filled in with those solid colors. Put the Gold Lithium logo on it, and it looks pretty darn good. I like it. The orange is perfect. AJ picked out an orange, and it really pops. So now the Nova doesn't really match very well, so I think we're going to pull some of this orange over onto the Nova and get it to match a little bit better. But the Dragster is done, and it looks awesome. So when you're at your track, check it out. I think it's going to be easy to see in the staging lanes. He's not going to lose his car. So, all right.